giving me the option.
What can I do for you, sir?
What are we going to build today?
Today we are going to build an AI like me.
So what's up guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, as you just saw, we are going to be building an artificial intelligence, and you can call this artificial intelligence whatever you want. And like, let us just get right into it. So firstly, um I'm going to open the editor I'm going to be using. So it's PyCharm. So it's open now. Just give it a second to load and open your you can just use whatever environment you want. Like I'm using Conda environment, which I prefer very much. You guys can use whatever you want, but in Conda environment it's easy to install one of the modules we are going to be requiring for this one. And I actually mean it. So let's get right into it. The first module we'll be needing is called um, PyTTSX3, which basically means Python text to speech version 3. So if you just type PyTTSX3 on Google or any of your web browser, you will just get the first link of your PyTTSX3 in the pyp.org, which is the place where we upload modules for Python. I will also be soon uploading one module, and yes, we will see it. So I just copied everything with this, and I'm just pasting it in my terminal of PyCharm. So many ask why I don't use VS Code. If you don't know, you can just check my a few of my other videos before. For example, like the video in which I built WhatsApp, my web chat app. Okay, so it's already installed for me. Even you guys, it will be able to install for you guys also. So our next module we'll be needing is speech recognition. Speech underscore recognition. Okay, so now again open the pyp.org, copy this and paste it. So it's again installed for me already. You guys can take your time and install it. It's already satisfied. Next module we'll be needing is Wikipedia. Wikipedia. Oops, sorry, Wikipedia Python module. It's like opening the real Wikipedia OMG. Never mind. So pip install Wikipedia, and now we can just paste this over here with Control V, click enter, and our installation has started. It's already installed for me. Okay. So the next two things we'll be needing are PyWattKit number 1. So let's just type Py, over here, PyWattKit, click enter, and the first link as usual, PyWattKit. Now we'll just copy this over here. Nice. This thing actually kind of looks like an Indian thing, which we have in like few other, like restaurants or something. So just Control V and just let it install. It's already installed for me, so it shows that requirement already satisfied. Okay. Now next up, we need PyJokes. So just PyJokes. Not sure the web browser is an inbuilt module or not, but we will be needing it. The web browser is just something external which I'm adding. Let's Control V this. Requirement already satisfied for me. Now I can just clear everything. CLS, not CL. Clear screen. And now remove our terminal so that we can get the proper full thing view. Okay. Now first thing. Oh no, we are not done yet. Sorry, very sorry. We need another module called PyAudio. So there's a thing over here, pip install PyAudio. Again, open your terminal, Control V, and now it installs it. Requirement already satisfied, but if I do it in my command prompt, really, see what happens. Control V, install PyAudio. Actually gives me an error. Downloading PyAudio, see, the error is occurring. Now, how to fix this error? There is a way. Firstly, create a new tab with Control T and type over here unofficial Python binaries. Click enter. Now the first link, click on that and it will direct you to a site. Control F or Command F if you're on a Mac and just type PyAudio. So now you can just remove this thing over here. Now this thing over here, you can just click on it and according to PyAudio over here. And according to your Python version and your operating system like 64-bit or 32-bit can install it. So I have a 64-bit but I prefer 32-bit for some reason, and I have 3.8, so I'll just click on it. And if you don't know what Python version you have, all you have to do is Windows search, command prompt, and just type Python over here. And this is the version 3.8.10 or whatever. So basically 3.8 and all those stuff. So I've got this over here. Now I don't know why this problem is still not resolved for me, even though I install PyAudio like that. You can also use using pip PyAudio, pip install PyAudio. Sorry, pip install PyAudio. And this, for me, I don't know why some error occurs every time, even I do with this one. But I think it will be fine for you guys. And if it's still not fine, use the last available method which I use. That's using Anaconda. So all you have to do is Anaconda. Sorry, not Anaconda. Very sorry. Anaconda is a thing where I downloaded. Conda install PyAudio. So and by default, if it doesn't install PyAudio for you there might be an error in Conda. Okay, it's not for pip. For pip, there's a totally different thing. Conda, if it doesn't install, all you have to do is remove the PyAudio and type port audio. After that, type PyAudio. But it's already installed for me, so I have no problem. Let's go ahead and let me just control C this so that everything happens good. Clear screen. And let's remove our terminal. So now our full screen is cleared and we are all good. Now the first thing we want to do is import speech recognition. And for that we are going to do import speech underscore recognition as SR. Okay. Next up we need PyWattKit. So we'll import not PyWattKit, sorry, PyTTSX3. These two are essential, and even PyAudio is because it helps in the recognition of our speech. So for that we'll just import PyTTSX3. Okay. And now let's create a recognizer and let's just give it the sr.recognizer value right now. sr.recognizer and pass in the brackets and nothing inside it. And now as usual we are going to create a variable called engine, and inside this we are going to pass in pyttsx3.init. Means this initializes our pyttsx3. You can either leave it empty or what you can do is sapify. So that's good. Now next up we need to create a variable called voices, and this is going to be a list variable, so it's all good. So engine dot we are going to get the property from so what this voices is asking over here is to the voices is asking our engine to get the property of something, we are going to pass in the brackets, and in the brackets we are going to pass in voices. So, and this is a list, so it's stored in the voices thing. And for now we can just print voices to see how many voices we have, and let's just run our script. um, okay, voices um, dot id, I guess. It has no attribute called id. Okay, never mind. Let's run it like this and see what all voices we have. So currently we have two voices, this voice and this voice. What I prefer is this voice, but I don't know why, for some reason it's not coming in my laptop. So please excuse that, and let's go ahead. So now we are going to set the property of voices. See, by default is the first one. By default, we get the male voice, which is the first one before the comma. And if we want to set it to another thing, we need to get the other one. As it's a list, so it goes 0 and 1. Okay, so let's get ahead on with this. So as it's a set property, we are going to get the voices attribute over here. And what we want to set the voices to is voices 1.id. Nice. Okay. Now we need to create a command. Like no AI is good without, like if I say hello, the AI should reply back with hi sir, what can I do for you? So how will that happen? Few people might tell just do Google text to speech or something like that, like GTTS or something. But no, I'm using PyTT SX3, Python text to speech, not Google text to speech, because I'm more comfortable with this one. You can use Google text to speech also if you please, but for that you need even play sound and another sound, which I like don't really want to use, but never mind. Let's continue. So I'm going to create a function called say, and in this we are going to pass in message, and this message will be the thing we are going to say. I mean our AI will say. So engine dot say, and over here we're going to pass in message. So you might have read in the comments that I typed you won't need to buy Alexa, but this is way basic. It's not exactly like Alexa or something. So who all are seeing this stream, please comment it. Seeing the stream. Stream. Okay, just comment it down now immediately. So I know who are actually seeing it, and I'll just open this in a new tab so it's actually visible properly to all. Control T, Control V. Okay, so let me just turn this off like that. Okay, if you have any questions related to all the code or something, feel free to join our Discord server from this. Oh, I didn't even like my video. OMG. Huh. Never mind. So, okay, Poke Gamers Point is watching. Thank you. And let's continue on with the code. So, engine.save message is done. Next up, we need to like run this, and then we need to wait for our message to be set properly. So like if I just do engine.save message and on the next line I say print message, so like for in that case both all the commands will be run simultaneously together. But if we do run and wait, everything will be run in a chronological and proper order as we have done in that. So now that that's done, let's just give it a try by saying that hi, I am your AI that can speak. Okay, so let's just run this.
Hi, I am your AI that can speak.
Okay, can speak. Very wrong. Can speak. I don't know why there's some problem happening.
Hi, I am your AI that can speak.
Very good, but not enough. Now, I just need something over by so I print um, voices. So I'm just doing some kind of a thing in which I might be able to get the female
Hi,
voice.
I am your AI that can speak.
Okay, fine, you can speak. Very good, but I don't care if you can speak or not unless my YouTube video gets popular. Okay, guys, smash the like button immediately because after this we are going to add the commands for saying things, like literally, so that our beautiful little AI can input our things. Dot I D. Okay, I bet it'll show an error. Okay, I knew it. Okay, now at the end, let's just put this. Ah, you also get out. I don't know why I'm having so much problem.
Hi, I am your AI that can speak.
Expected. So there's the same problem, you guys. I don't hope that it's the problem same for you guys. But let me just give a try by removing Sapify. Or it might be the problem. So let me just run this.
Hi, I am your AI that can speak.
Never mind. I don't care if you can speak or not, unless this video is popular, of course. So Poke Gamers is watching. Poke Gamers Point, I mean. So Poke Gamers Point in my last video, which was on making my Pokédex, you commented that the same as new. Is this the same as Neural Nines? So yes, this is. It was the same as Neural Nines, but the only difference was that um, I taught you guys how to convert it to an executable file and share it with your other friends and other people. That's the thing I taught you in that, and I taught you with two different methods. And if you're listening to me, please comment it down below and like this video. Who is YT family? Please type it down. So never mind. Let's get on with the code now. Now we need to create the code to input our command. So for that we'll take inpcmd, basically input command, and again no attribute over here, not again, sorry, no attribute, and we're going to pass this our take command, and we're going to say we are creating another function def runs run code, and again we're just going to pass this over here, pass. Okay, so now it's time to get the input command in action, and for that we are just going to do the first thing is we are going to create a try statement, right? And we're going to say with sr dot microphone, and we are going to call this source. Okay, source, yeah, that's all. And now all we want to do is print listening. So this will be our listening, by the way, listening. Okay, now if we do that, it will print that it is actually listening a command. So let me just do it over here. It is inpcmd. So command equals inpcmd, and after doing that, we want this to be in the lowercase letters. So we just do dot lower, so that we don't want to add like so many kind of things, which that's like very confusing. And now we need to put the if name main statement. For that we'll do if. Oh guys, see, Tab9 comes into play. By the way, this video is sponsored by Tab9, which is one of the best, like, autocomplete AIs, and for me, I prefer Tab9 way more than Kite. So just a thing to check out. So if name equals main in if underscore name equals underscore main. Okay, so I think I need to put this in charging immediately right now. So just give me a second. I'm stopping the screen for a like less than a minute. Just a second, please. Just type in the chat if you guys are able to hear me at all, because like I don't know about that because I've just connected another headphone. Can I actually change it on this? Never mind. Okay, okay, thank you for gamers point. Uh, just tell if you are able to hear me or not, because I don't know about that. There is some problem. The stream's current bitrate is lower than recommended bitrate. Whatever. Okay. Thanks for liking the video already, for gamers point. Let's continue, and also type in the comments whether you can hear me or not, because just created a new headphone. Let's continue. So if underscore name is underscore main, all we have to do is run our code with run code. And now there's some problem in our INP CMD, and I know what that is. And so we are just going to accept this, accept, and just pass this. Okay, so let us just see whether it actually works. It has no attribute with lower. Okay, okay. Never mind, never mind. We'll just give another try. Okay, so it is not giving any kind of a problem over here. And let's just say print microphone not enabled. Okay, let's give a try. Microphone not enabled. Let me just connect another microphone. And okay, let me give another try now. Microphone not enabled. Okay, so my screen's not shared. I'm very sorry, guys. Very sorry. Okay, now I think it's visible, and I'm again turning it. Come on, why is my microphone not enabled? I have been talking for so much time. So let me just enable this. Okay, whatever. Let me connect the other microphones also so that it gets enabled. This problem was not happening before, I guess. It's happening now. It's some kind of a technical problem. Can you hear me? Okay, Sarvesh Kumar says hello. Hi Sarvesh Kumar, and welcome to our video. Are you able to hear me, guys? I am sorry because I didn't know my screen was not shared. Wasn't shared. Can you hear me? Thanks a lot for Gamer's Point. So let's continue. I don't know why this thing is actually not able to hear me. Uh, so let's give another try. Because last time I made my AI, it was perfect. So let me just unshare my screen and like get on with the code once. I need to check. because I'm not sure what's wrong. Oh yeah, guys, by the time I am checking on with my code, you guys better subscribe to the channel and like go on with this yeah, you guys better subscribe to the channel and go ahead to join my Discord server immediately because like we will I want the Discord server to reach like most of the people and like, so that everyone can ask all the doubts and other stuff. Just check, just let me know in the comments whether you are able to, um, whether your code is able to compile or not, and even you are getting the same error. So, if you are, join our Discord channel and we can answer all your questions. Me and a few other people, and the link to the Discord channel is there in the description. Join it immediately. So, let's continue. Hmm. Let me check it with my previous code. Control C. Python 3. Just a second, please. Okay. Before I made it with the thing run Alexa, but I don't think it's working now. Let me just screen share once again. It's problem. Can't understand. You had this, and now local variable command reference before assignment. What's wrong? Come on. I need to know. So let us check the comments on no, you are not visible. Yes, Sarvesh Kumar, I'm not visible because like okay, I'll make myself visible. Just give me a second. That's fine. How about now? I'm visible, right? Okay, so the screenshot is still over there, but never mind, never mind. Now I might be visible for a while, but now I'm just not visible. So I remember the whole code and I'm just going to type that all down. I know it won't be able to reference and hear me, but still, never mind. I'll just go and give on with a try. And for that, okay, the code is finally compiled. Now everything's finally compiling now. And I mean, it was just a second before. I like unshare my screen for just a moment. It did. Excuse me. So never mind, let's get on with the screen share and all those stuff. So now we can create a voice and it is going to be the recognizer which we made before, and it is recognizer dot it's not working. I don't know why it's having so much problems. Shouldn't have, but never mind. Recognizer dot listen. Okay, recognize Google can also be an alternative, but I say listen right now because like I don't know. So even recognize Google is a good option. You can use it. And well, let's continue. So next up, we are going to create a command, and we are going to call that command equals listener, not listener, recognizer. Dot, we're going to recognize it in the Google voice, with the recognize Google voice. I forgot that we were going to do that before. So voice, and after this, all we have to do is make the command into the lower form. Command dot lower. What did not happen? So what's the problem over here? Let's just check. Class object doesn't define which time. Okay, never mind. Expected two blank lines found one, never mind. Function name should be lowercase, never mind. Use bare except, never mind. Okay, fine. We'll just do exception. Oh, fine. Okay. Input Function input command doesn't. Okay, function everything. Okay, yes, it doesn't. So we will do it later. And two blank lines after class or function definition. Never mind, we'll also do that. And don't mind the background voice. Uh, so okay. At the last, we're anyways going to return the command. So we'll just type it return command. Can you at least speak? Let me just try it. Run code and say why is my microphone not working? Local variable command reference before assignment. Okay. Uh, Command is reference before assignment. Okay, we'll slash it and we'll just pass it.
Why is my microphone not working?
Lol. So it's not working, I know, for some reason, and I want to know what the reason is. Wait just a sec. Let me try once again.
Why is my microphone not working?
Def run code. Okay, controls. Let me return the command. Return command, and now I'll again do this. Microphone not enabled. Why? So 29 and 25 lines have error. So 25 command reference. Okay, never mind. So this can be fixed. Just a second. Okay, I think the background noise has been minimized for some right now. So let me just continue. So our microphone has not been enabled. Never mind. So let's remove this line over here, and let me move it once. Over here, we are going to do this return command before everything is done. Return command. Okay, and let's just run
Why is
this.
my microphone not working?
Microphone not enabled. I don't know why.
Why is
Hello.
my microphone not working?
Okay, yeah, fine. I thought it would work for some reason, but never mind. It's not working. So, if you guys have any questions, just type it in the chat right now. And let's just open a Discord server and check what all is going on right now. Is anyone joined or not? So I don't need to in the moment. Discord.com channels at me. Never mind. So let's get going, and our Discord server is here. Coding Heroes. So guys, let's see who has joined again. Okay, no one has joined except for Ashwin Rocks, and that also like hardly anyone's offline now. Guys, come on, join this. You can ask whatever you want. We have voice channels, we have Java, Kotlin, React Native, Cordova. We have many stuff. You can even share your own YouTube channels. Come on, join fast. Okay, you can actually like do it because it's a totally safe channel. We are not gonna do anything wrong in that. Let's continue. Okay, you guys can call your AI whatever you want. I am calling it King. I don't know why I kind of like that name. Even my Among Us name is King. We will just do if King in command. Now all you have to do is again with wait sorry latest underscore command equals nothing for now. Okay, so now we're just going to do with dot microphone as our source. No, source is already been done with the CMD or command basically. Then we are going to do uh, what can I do for you, sir? So we want to just make our thing say, what can I do for you, sir? Not sir. So let's see. Emails to full charge. Okay, fine, never mind. Let's continue. Okay. After that, we need to again put in that we are actually listening to the user. Okay, so let me just mention one thing before I go on too much with this. Like I am like it's not a complete project. You can even add your own commands and things in this. Like what I planned for before was I create a JSON database over here, and like if the user wants to add, he must say add command, and like the AI will say what will be your command, and the user inputs the command, and AI say is your command has been successfully saved. What should be your answer? And then the AI, and then the user gives the input, and AI saves it as the other option, and it would look something like this. So let me just do this. So let's comment all these lines out. Oh man, I just wanted to do it like command is answer in a database that I wanted it to happen, but never mind, it's not happening for some reason. In fact, I'm not able to run even my mic, so I don't know why. Okay, who has joined? Let's refresh. And sure. Come on, guys, why isn't anyone joining? Let's just join it because it will actually be helpful for me, and even you guys will have a good time asking questions, getting the answers. And why are the comments like so empty now? Isn't anyone watching? Come on, let's get the like confidence to a totally new height. And let's continue. So after this, we are going to set our latest command to latest underscore command is so we need the recognizer dot recognize Google, and now over here all we have to do is recognizer dot listen, and now we're going to be listening to the source, not source, sorry, source was the one in the previous one over here. We are going to be listening to this command which is cmd. Okay, that's it. And after this, we just want to create this into a lowercase or latest. Okay, let me just do latest underscore command dot replace. I don't know what I'm doing, but whatever it is, I'm just doing this so that the video goes on and it's all proper. Latest underscore command dot lower. We want to convert this to a lowercase. We're not returning the command. I'm very sorry for that. We are returning the latest command. Latest command. Okay, I think that's done.
Why is my microphone not working?
Okay, I don't really care now that my microphone's not working. I don't know why there's so many problems. Okay, who is Savesh Kumar? Maybe no. We don't really need to know. Savesh Kumar. Okay, it's my brother from another account. Okay, so Hi Rajat, and welcome to my live stream. Keep enjoying. And who's COVID-19 daily updates? Please mention yourself. And okay, there are only three watching now. I started streaming 39 minutes ago, and this is actually live, guys. How amazing is that? Who is COVID-19 daily updates? Please mention yourself. Please name yourself. Who are you? Just name yourself. Okay, now, man, let's continue. Uh, okay, so all I need to do over here. So the latest command has been returned, and now in our run code, we are going to just a second. Yeah, that's fine. Akshaj Kumar. Okay, it's Akshaj. Okay, fine. So Akshaj, you have your channel, eh? Nice. COVID-19 daily updates. Very good. So let's. So I don't want to come back to this thing to every time chat. So let's just keep this fixed over here on the sides and do that. So like I think it's good enough now. I'll be chatting and like I'll be able to see all the comments and code at the same time. I have in another phone. Okay, sure, Akshay. So our command is input command, and then we want to do if the play is over here. If play is in our command, so play in command, all we have to do. Wait, I forgot to print our command. See, the command should be printed. Command. Okay, it's been printed, and now let's just say, okay. So mostly when play is there, we always do songs. So we are just going to replace the play with song equals command dot replace. Yeah, command dot replace, and we are going to replace play with nothing. That's how timeline comes into play, guys. Amazing things. So Akshaj, want to be a part of my next live stream? I can send the link, but never mind. Okay, so let's continue, and we will say that we are playing. Now I like formatted strings more, so let me just put an F string. And if you guys don't know what an F string is, an F string is a formatted. Bro, we can't super chat. Don't worry about that, Akshay. I know a method how we can do it. So, and this is a formatted string, and I actually like formatted strings more than like these things. So we are playing. We're going to play the song, okay? And Akshay, we can't super chat. I know that's right, but like donate money. Do you want to actually? Do you want to? If you want to get this video to at least 4K watch hours, and I need at least 100K subscribers. And remember the thing in the last video, I've actually changed it a little bit. If I get at least 100 likes, I said in the last video, if I get at least 100 likes, I will make a video conferencing app. But yes, I can, but only 20 rupees. Okay, Akshaj, thanks for the lovely donation. And even the thought of giving a donation, thanks for that very much. And like, never mind. If you want to actually donate, then uh, you have to get my channel to 1K subs and get me 4K watch hours. Do you want that? I want to see it immediately. Do you want that or not? Okay, let's just change the way we actually do these stuff. Um, okay, never mind. Let's close this. What's happening? It's just so you guys are chat and all those stuff. Actually should be visible. I don't know why you guys are not able to hear this. Let's streamline the window. Okay, so you aren't able to hear me, indeed. Hear me. So what's up, guys? Okay, so it was you guys could hear me in the starting, but not now. Yes, that's right. So let me just okay. Even this thing is there, right? Video info. What's happening? I need some help. Advanced settings. Uh, what's happening? Hello, hello. Okay. Manage. What's wrong? Please. It's a microphone plan. Oh, it's blocked by. Come on. Audio output. Okay. Audio input. Okay, and now I think everything's fine. So are you able to hear me now? Thank you. Huh. Okay, I'm very sorry for the mic problem, guys. I didn't know that it was actually happening, so very sorry. Please forgive me. I didn't see the audio input, audio output thing. So let's just pop out the chat and get everything in action. Woo, everything that way. Yeah. We can hear you, no need to worry. Thank you, Akshaj, for that. So in a yeah, let me just import pivot kit. For the import, I'm very sorry. Import pivot kit done. Now we won't have another. So pivot kit dot play on YT means play on YouTube. And got to play the song on YouTube, and we need to play the song actually song. Yeah, that's good. Now lf time in command. So now we'll okay, now there are two options for this. You can either use the daytime module or the time module. I like to use the time module, well, but for this video, if you want to know how to use the time module for these kind of stuff, I'm soon going to upload a clock video. It's already recorded and ready. but like I forgot to upload it due to exams, but never mind. I'll upload it like around tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So yes. So I'm going to show you how to use datetime in this, and for that import date time. Wait, just a sec. I want to see whether this thing is actually enabled or not. Is date time dot date time dot now. Yeah, now and dot strf time, and over here we need to just specify this. Yeah, modulus I, capital I, is to modulus m, capital M, and give a space and put mod and the lowercase p. I just want to see whether it's happening or not. So let's just say the current time is okay is so that's how timing comes into play, guys. Is my microphones enabled or not? It's not printing anything. That's weird. Microphone not enabled. What? Okay, okay, never mind. Let's just control F and do command. That's one place, that's one place. It's in eight place. Okay, one, two, three, four. That's a place where we were wrong. Okay, never mind, never mind. We can still do it. But hey, why? Never mind, never mind. So after saying that, mm, just a sec. Okay, never mind. Let's continue. So current time is that, and next up we want the date. Okay, lf date in command. Hi, nice project. Who's Arav Khurana? Concern, please tell. Okay, never mind. Let's just continue though. So, is it really your name, Arav Khurana? And like, um, join a Discord server and send pics of yourself. I'm just joking. It's a totally private Discord server. No violation. No like harsh talking and those stuff is required in that. Okay, now let's continue. So, we are going to do. Oops, yeah, sorry. So for this, I don't exactly remember what to do. So date in Python, and let's go to W3 school. That's literally the best thing. Try it yourself. Okay, kind of weird, but never mind. Data output is that it's not here. Okay. Uh, I see. Come on, where is it? Ah, day of the month. Month name short for month name full version. Okay. Uh, is there anything in the um, cardinal or ordinal, one of those two? I think cardinal. Week number, weekday. Come on, what's happening? Okay, day number of the year. What? Gone mental, I guess. Never mind. Year full version. Ah, this is too much now. Month name, weekday full version. Okay, I think this is getting too much now, but never mind. I want the exact date, the exact date. Okay, that's like, okay, how to get the date
in Python. To get current date and time in Python. Okay. So I want the code really date dot today. So what does it actually print? Let me just open an online Python editor quickly. Control A, Control V, run noise. But I want it in the opposite way. But still, that's actually a good thing. Good sign. We're getting there. We're getting closer. Date dot today, but it okay. Never mind. Current year is the current month is the current days. Okay, day. You mean like that? Okay, okay, okay. Fine. I'm sorry for wasting the time, guys, but it was actually kind of confusing for me. So okay, OMG, 55 minutes have already happened making our AI. Real, I mean, okay, nice project. Bro, when are you gonna do a video or live stream with face? You won that. Here you go. So Akshaj, your face. I mean, like you want the face, right? The face is here. Are you happy now? Okay, so let's continue. If date is in a command, so we are going to just first we are going to print that um okay, it's an F string. I forgot. So our okay, so I'm visible now. Um, the date. Wait, have I imported datetime? Yeah, yes, datetime has been imported. So let me just do date time dot. Just a second. Print days and current underscore time. Datetime dot now dot day. Okay, datetime dot datetime dot now dot day. mm, Slash. Let's just copy this thing actually so that it actually decreases our work, Control C, Control V, and instead of day, we over here type month. It's not capital, sorry, my caps lock was on, I didn't know. And over here again, Control V, and over here year. 1 year is done, and huh, never mind. 1 year done in lockdown, and I haven't gone out at all. So it kind of gets irritating after time. So now at last, let's just turn off a camera and okay, I stopped my screen share by mistake. Sorry for that. So now I've turned off my camera and I'm continuing to coding. Okay, Akshaj, are you satisfied now that my face has been revealed? I actually did it in my last stream also, but never mind. So you want it with the full face, okay? Whenever I make a kind of a short video, then I'll do it with my full face. Let's continue now. What was that? Control W. So now we are at the end of a line, and now we want to just say this. Wait, sorry. Uh, current day is Control V. We are right. I forgot to put the F to give a format. Day, month is again Control V, but this time changes with month, and year is Control V and change this with year. Okay, so now so that you guys can see it easily, I'm going to soft wrap this. Soft wrap. Okay, Akshaj, are you satisfied now? Just type it in the comments, please. So, no, of course not. I don't want to leave this because then my whole stream would stop. Okay, Akshaj, just type in the comments if you're good enough with it or not. So today's video is all about Restream, and you can see it on the top right corner that it's actually there. And like, anyway, let's continue into this. You guys can add whatever command you want, like literally. It's not compulsory for only me to add this. Do it your own. Be yourself. Elif. Now in a elif, we want to just put this in brackets, okay? It's always better to do that. Who the heck is? Or uh, you know what? Let's actually like who the heck is? Or who is? Or describe in command. Okay, so now I'm going to do one small thing. So just a sec. Wait. Elif. If who the heck in command or command. Oh wait, what? Control Z. Never mind. If who the heck in command. Now we're just going to pass this for now because I'm going to do a multi-cursor thing. First, who is in command? Who is in command? Nice. And again, pass this and describe in command. Okay, so now we are not going to pass it. Now we are actually going to like tell like, okay, come on, let's give this alt click, alt click. If you don't know how to do it on PyCharm, it's alt click. In Sublime Text, it's control click. I don't know for Windows. I mean, sorry, for VS Code. I'm very sorry, guys. Okay, for any JetBrains ID, it's always alt click. If you're using the PyCharm extension for VS Code, it's again alt click over there. The key bindings for VS Code, I mean. So now let's continue. So we are going to just do person equals command. Just a sec. Yeah, person is command dot replace. Okay, replace. Um, let's start with the first line. Replace. Just copy this. Control V, and we are replacing this with this. And who is also who is who? Ah, Control C, Control V, and we are again replacing this with nothing. And now we are again describe. We are replacing this with nothing. Okay, so next up, we need to actually put the function to the person. Function to the person. Wow. Huh. So we need to give it an info. So we'll do info is Wikipedia Wikipedia dot summary, and we want to give this summary of person, and we are extracting only one line. That's it. And let's get Wikipedia imported. So import Wikipedia. Okay. So next up, oh yeah, so put in. Oh, sorry for my English. Talk it. Say info. Wait, what? Yeah, control. Ah, come on. Control C, control V, control V. Okay, that's it. And after this, the date has been done. Yeah, so uh, let's create a joke. Okay, a joke. So we're just gonna say elif and joke in command. Let's just pass this, and I should immediately import pie jokes. Import pie jokes, and over here I'll just do um, say and even print. Okay, and I'll alt click this so that I again get the double cursor. You can actually print get the double cursor like around everywhere. But nope, it's not needed right now. And now I'm going to just say pyjokes dot get joke, pyjokes dot get underscore joke, and that's it. Now if name underscore main, we put this in a while loop, while true, and so this will run forever. Okay. Oh, it's kind of weird without an else statement really. So let's just add an else statement. Else print, even say, oh no, Windows up. Sorry, I meant to do that. Never mind. Let's just check the comments. Okay, there are no comments. How many likes has this video got actually? Hmm. Concurrent viewers. Wait, what? No views right now, like literally. Come on, guys. That's not fair. Play fair. Okay, this actually started 1 hour 6 minutes ago, and only I am watching, no one else. Sad times. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. I should not give up. This stream is actually going good now. So let's just say that your command was either not recognized or it wasn't valid. Please enter the command once again. What? Uh, OMG! The double quotes problem. That's why you should never use short forms in programming languages. Okay, now the last but not the least, I actually want to do this. So web browser Python web browser dot open, I guess that's a command, I guess. Open. Okay, yeah, I think that's the thing. So mm, let's just import web browser before it. It's an inbuilt module, you don't need to install it, and so is datetime. So I'm going to just do import web browser. Okay, there's way more commands you can add to this, guys. When I made my first thing, it was like insane. Huh. So right now to this I'm going to add lf open in command. So we're just going to open this web browser dot open, and we are going to replace the command dot replace, and we are going to replace open with nothing. Okay, that's it. And we're going to say opening. Oh yes, I need to print and talk, print and say. What's wrong? Say alt click this, and we're gonna say yeah f string. I'm not gonna forget that one. We're gonna just say opening a command dot replace open. That's the thing I hate the most about programming. Good now. We're open with nothing. Okay. No. Elif scratch in command. So like what was that? Scratch in command. So that's something I like. Okay, Scratch. It's actually kind of good. Scratch.my.I do check out all the projects I have made on Scratch. Okay, only two are watching. Why is that, guys? Come on, we need to get this video to at least 100 likes and 100 views, at least. If that happens, let's say what I'm gonna do. Uh, if that happens, I am going to make a Chrome clone without the downloading part, of course, with uh, Python. A Chrome clone. You can add tabs, close tabs, but there are no shortcuts, okay? It's actually already ready, but suspense is the key. Huh. Other scratching command web browser dot open scratch dot mit dot edu. Okay, that's it, I guess. But no, wait. So few of you are using VS Code and you want to open your VS Code with your AI and those stuff. So just give me a second. I'm just researching few things upon that. I actually want to know like what can you do with that? Like how can you open VS Code? I did that in one of my previous projects, but I don't know it. Some will, I think the project has been deleted by mistake, so I'm just checking if I actually have it. Uh, hmm, it has to be actually there somewhere or the other. Uh, somewhere or the other. Somewhere or the other. Hmm, just finding it, guys. Just a second. So if come on, where is it? Uh, most yeah, finally got found my old stuff. So let me just do this thing. Yeah, and it's finally done. Yeah, done. Now I can share my screen once again. So share screen done. Okay. So okay, only I'm watching. Why is that? Okay. So let's continue. And why are the comments so like uh so empty? Okay, so this thing. So we actually want to open with code well, elif code in command. So now I don't know for Mac exactly how it is. Okay, alright. First we need to import OS. It's an inbuilt module. Import OS or operating system basically. So now all you have to do is OS dot just a sec. Okay, it's kind of difficult to remember actually. You can even add the email system to this. Literally with SMTP but nope, I don't want to. So we need OS. Oh, why is it happening? Yeah. Oh, okay, alright. My screen's not shared. Just a sec. Um, screen sharing and start share. So now we need to do OS dot uh, file. And now I don't know for Mac how this will happen, but for Windows it is like this. See, so I'll just copy the code and you guys will be able to see it in just a few seconds. See users that Windows halfway with that, and yeah, wait just a sec. And now you guys can do it actually. Yeah, that's done. And I hope you are able to see it. And like this is it. See users Davis app data local program. So over here you can just put the user, but my user is Davis, so I'm doing that. And if I tell open with code over here, open code, then it will actually open my VS Code. And you guys can just copy paste this in few seconds. I'm just waiting over here, thinking of what else we can add to our code, or I think is that fine. Okay, enough. Yeah, you can just pause the video and just like see what all is going on. So this live stream has been going for 75 minutes now, and it's actually kind of amazing. And let's just see who all have joined our Discord channel. Um, Coding Hero Discord channel. Okay, no one has joined. Why is that? Only three members: me, Nak, Ashwin Rocks. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and this was my longest video till now. Um, more than an hour. So thanks for watching and see you in another video. Bye.